Greetings. For this session, we're going to take a very quick look at Power BI. Power BI is a business analytic application that was created by Microsoft. It is used to support business decisions in your organization. As we know, we will have a lot of data that is generated by your organization. We're going to take this data and we're going to transform them and use advanced visualization tools to create dashboards and interactive reports that would be very useful for business decision. Now, when we talk about Power BI, there are many products in the Power BI line. We can notice that in the products, we have like Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Premium, Mobile Embedded, and Report Server. For our session, we are going to look at the Power BI Desktop version only. You can easily find and download this product when you go to the Power BI website by Microsoft. Alternatively, you can also download the Power BI Desktop version from the Microsoft Store. You can notice if you go to the Microsoft Store, you can also get Power BI Desktop. If you search, you can notice the application will be appearing on the Microsoft Store. For this lesson, you are going to be asked to download and install Power BI Desktop. In the next session, we're going to see how we can import the data into Power BI Desktop and how can we do basic transformation and setup of your data before we start visualization. Thank you for your time and see you in the next session.